brothers. You fucking know it. Those were some of the best deviled eggs I've ever thrown up. There's no need for you to imagine cereal. Just pull my astonishing and you will recall the defined mustache cast. Oh, I'm taking on your shit right now. Can you smell it? It smells like a dog smothered in pain and shoved up a man's asshole. I'm showing pictures of my dog's vagina. Sauce mama. Sauce mama. Samuel will break your chest. Eyes on my cheeks from the butt cheek bandit. Zippy, I only want you to invent a new kind of frosted orange cheese. That would be me. Put it on your knees, if you please, and don't sneeze or wheeze. We'll see a sneeze. Black oven pizzas. 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 Who should I forget my imaginary art set? Where is Rosa? Where is Rosa? Where is Rosa? He went to make a cake.